Hello, my blessed people. How are you doing? It's been a while. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. So some few minutes ago, I was just yawning, and it dawned on me. We really think about yawning, When is the last time you yawned and you thought about the secret behind it, or maybe what it signifies? So I went and searched concerning facts about yawning, and I thought to share. So here are 15 facts about yawning. I hope you enjoy the video. Did you know that yawning is a reflex that causes us to take a deep breath, filling our lungs with air and causing our chest to expand? Second point, yawning is usually associated with tiredness or boredom, but it can also be a response of stress, anxiety, or even hunger. Number 3, yawning is contagious. Seeing someone yawn or even just thinking about yawning can trigger a yawn response in others. That's why when you see somebody yawning, most probably you even yawn yourself because it's contagious. Number 4, the scientific name for yawning is ostination, derived from the Latin word ostia, which means to open one's mouth wide. Number 5, yawning is not exclusive to humans. It's been observed in a variety of animals, including primates, dogs, and even fish. Number 6, the exact purpose of yawning is still not fully understood, but there are several theories. And number 7, one theory suggests that yawning helps to regulate brain temperature, increasing oxygen intake to the brain. And the other point is there's another theory that yawning helps to stretch and exercise the muscles in the face and jaw, promoting blood flow to the head. Number 9, yawning has also been linked to the release of certain neurotransmitters, including dopamine, which is associated with pleasure and reward. Number 10, some researchers believe that yawning may help play a role in social bonding, as it's often observed in groups of people or animals. You know that? Number 11, yawning is more common in the morning and evening and less common during the middle of the day. Okay. Number 12, yawning is more likely to occur when we are in a relaxed state of mind, such as just before falling asleep or just after waking up. Number 13, yawning is more common in animals than in children and more common in women than in men. Wow, I wish I knew why. And the other point, people who are more empathetic or sensitive to the emotions of others may be more likely to yawn contagiously. Okay. Point number 15, some medications such as antidepressants or antipsychotics may also increase the frequency of yawning. Wow. I hope you learned a fact that you did not know about yawning. And if you like this video, kindly please like it. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe and welcome to this blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.